In this video, I'll show you how to save battery on iPhone. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now what you need to do, go to your app settings, come on here, type in battery. So this is going to load up. So what you need to do, at first, click on this battery health and charging. So you can be able to see your maximum capacity. So mine is 81%. So you need to be able to, you need to turn on this optimized battery charging. You need to turn it on. So to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine. So it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So go back. So make sure your low power mode is currently turned on. Low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So turn it on. So you can be able to also view your last charge history, right? 24 hours, last 10 days, you can be able to see it. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.